Randy Jones, initially building tiny homes in his backyard, has transformed his passion into a $20 million empire with incredible tiny homes. Based in Newport, Tennessee, the company offers affordable, ready-to-go tiny homes made in the USA. Despite their success, Randy and his partner Amanda Hayes remain committed to cost efficiency, employing innovative materials and an assembly line approach akin to Henry Ford's methods. Also partnering with the Amish community in Kentucky for labor, they maintain a slim profit margin of around 30%, allowing them to offer homes like the Incredible Box for just $20,000. In conclusion, our upcoming video series will offer a rare opportunity to explore the enchanting world of incredible tiny homes. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and watch for our next video so you don't miss your chance to witness the magic firsthand and join the growing community of tiny home enthusiasts around the world.